Hello students, today in this session of English we are going to continue with the revision. As in previous class we have already started the revision. We have started the question number 1, that is fill in the blanks. So today in this session we are going to start with question number 2, that is say whether the following statement are true or false, or sentence are true or false. First one, the sea says, I feel and overflow. Now, students, sea never overflow, right? Lakes used to overflow. So, this statement is false. The earth trembles with my thunder. I am the thunderhead. No, I am the storm, right? So, this statement is false. Drawn upward by warm sunlight in white silver veils. The figure of speech in this line is alliteration. Now, students, you don't know about figure of speech, but in any sentence the words are sounding same or kind of similar to each other, the sound is similar, then that comes in alliteration. For example, by warm sunlight in white, it sounds same, right? So that is alliteration. I rise up as gleaming power, fill towers in the darkened sky. I am a cloud. No, gleaming power, it means it is lightning, right? Thunder and lightning. One of the water form described in the poem is ocean. Yes, of course, ocean is one of form of water. The water of the poem Water Dance is A.P. Herbert. No, students, the poet of the poem Water Dance is Thomas, not A.P. Herbert. So this statement is false. The sea waves sparkle in bright sunlight. Of course, when it's bright sunlight, then the sea will shine, the sea will sparkle. So this statement is true. Now, Montreal is a very large city in America. No, students, it's not a large city in America, right? Now, Perry never touched the reins. Now, when Perry and Joseph used to go to supply the milk, right? When Perry used to ride Joseph, at that time he never touched the reins. Reins means रस्सी, जो रस्सी से horse को खींचते हैं, right? So he never touched the reins. So this statement is true. Perry was a milk wagon driver. Yes, he was a milk wagon driver for a company, for a milk company. Joseph was gifted to Perry by Saint Joseph. Students, this statement is false. Joseph has not gifted, Saint Joseph has not gifted Perry Joseph. Instead of that, who has gifted? Company person, right? The manager. The manager of milk company was not happy with Perry. No, the manager of company was very happy with Perry, right? As Perry's work was always perfect, so he was very happy with Perry's work. So this statement is false. Blindness of Perry was a secret that only the horse Joseph knew. Yes, as they used to share everything. They used to look into each other's eyes, and that's why we can say that he knows all the secret of Perry. So even the secret of blindness, right, of Perry was known by Joseph. Okay, students, in this way we have completed 13 true or false. In next session we will start with meanings. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye, and take care.